Hi, my name is Jasper Basson, and in this video I will explain how you can get a profit explosion in your business. It's 4 a.m. I've just done my morning workout and currently busy with a chapter in my new book, and the chapter is called The Profit Explosion for Your Business. And the whole book is for entrepreneurs, and in this chapter I run through 4 ideas that I see, and it's questions that I ask every entrepreneur when I actually meet them. And when I get the answers on those questions, I actually know the state of their business as it is. So the 4 questions I generally ask them are: do you separate your business and your personal bank account? Do you have different bank accounts for different aspects of your business, like a tax bank account, like a profit bank account, things like that? Do you regularly do an audit check on your overheads, on your OPEX? And the last one, do you have a strategy how you do lead generation, brand building, and sales? So if you want to find out more about those 4 items, I can guarantee you that you will have a massive profit explosion in your business, I will leave the link of this article and this chapter that I'm busy writing the book for in this description, and you can go read it for free. Enjoy your day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.